Welcome back to Primetime News. Time now for the top stories from around the world.
In the United States, President Donald Trump is threatening to deploy ICE agents to airports if funding for the Department of Homeland Security is not secured. He says the agents would provide security and arrest undocumented immigrants, though their exact role remains unclear. The warning comes as airport disruptions continue, with TSA workers facing staffing shortages and working without pay. An Iranian ballistic missile struck a building in Dimona, southern Israel Saturday evening, injuring several people and sparking fires at multiple locations. Firefighters said the missile destroyed a one-story structure, while a dramatic video captured the moment it hit the city. Dimona is home to Israel's nuclear program, and Iran state media claimed the strike targeted nuclear facilities in response to a prior Israeli attack on Iran's Natanz site. Emergency services reported around 20 people, including a 10-year-old boy with moderate injuries. And that's it for the top stories from around the world.
Thank you, Carrie, and we take another break. Sports is next.